Hi, I'm Cindy Santa Ana, nutritionist for the Amen Clinics. I'm going to give you some tips today on meal planning and how to keep your produce from spoiling when you bring it home. The first, you've got to have a plan when you go to the grocery store. So make your meal plan for the week. Maybe it's a stir fry with some cabbage and carrots, or taco night with some peppers and onions. Then when you come home, you got to get it out of these plastic bags because that's where it goes in the refrigerator to die and spoil and get moldy in these bags. So it just takes about 20 to 30 minutes. Take things out, chop them up. I've got some cabbage here and I put in a glass bowl and store that. Your carrots can be peeled, and if you want to leave them whole instead of diced, because maybe you don't know what you're going to do with them, make sure you put them in a little container with some water. Same thing with a sweet potato. You can peel it and cut it, but you need to store it in a little bit of water to keep it from going bad and turning brown. I chop up my peppers, and then if I decide later I want to dice them, I can. And then berries, you have to get them out of these plastic containers because they get moldy really quickly. If you wash them, dry them, and put them in a glass jar, they'll last for about a week to a week and a half, much longer. I also cut my Brussels sprouts, wash them, cut off that end, and put them in a glass container. So do this when you get home and your produce will keep much, much longer.